Wash them and soak in water for 1 day. Enclose them in a sealed box. Place the box in shade at a warm place. The white part is the root and the light green part is the seedling developing. Plant the sprouted seed in free-draining soil, put root in soil and seedling out. Similarly, plant other seeds in separate pots. Soil. A well-draining, slightly acidic soil that contains lots of organic matter is the best for potted orange tree. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand and 15% compost or cow manure. The river sand makes the soil free-draining while compost makes the soil acidic and nutrition-rich. Pot size. Young seedling in a too big pot can rot roots due to excessive moisture. So start with a smaller pot and later on transfer it in a bigger pot as the plant grows. Finally, use a large container, at least 60 centimeters wide and deep. The pot should have drainage holes to drain extra water. The standing water in the pot may kill the plant. Position. Sunlight is very important for the tree's healthy growth and fruit production. Place the pot in sunny location where it receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. You can move the pot in sun if you do not get enough sunlight at one place. Place the pot near a metal fence or brick wall to get more heat from it during night also. Water the orange tree consistently, especially when young, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Once established, water only when the top 1-inch soil gets dry. In very hot weather, your orange tree may need daily watering, especially if it is flowering or forming fruit. In winter, the plant may not need water for several days. Mulch. Put a thick layer of mulch on the soil to conserve moisture and prevent weeds. Fertilizer for oranges. Citrus trees are heavy feeders. The potted orange trees require regular fertilization to thrive. Use a balanced citrus fertilizer with a high phosphorus and potassium throughout the year. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the pot and mix in the soil. Top dress with compost or cow manure. Then put a layer of mulch and water. Feed a liquid fertilizer like power feed from spring to late summer every 2 weeks. Pruning. Pruning helps maintain the shape and the size of the tree. Regular pruning promotes air circulation. Remove dead and crowded or crossed branches for air flow and to encourage new growth and flowering. Remove any growth from the root stock in grafted orange tree. Pests and diseases. Orange tree can have pests such as aphids, mites, and scale insects. Spray neem oil to fight insect problem. Mix 1 ml neem oil, 1 ml pest oil and a few drops of liquid dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray on all the leaves. Inspect the leaves regularly to look for curling of leaves due to leaf miner pests. Spray pest oil every 10 days to prevent leaf curling. Keep the plant clean, remove any fallen leaves from the soil. Orange flowering and harvesting. Plant orange tree variety that is self-pollinating, so other tree is not needed for pollination. If you have grown your orange tree from a seed, then it will flower and bear fruit in more than 7 years, but if you have planted a grafted tree, then it will flower in just 2 years. The oranges need about 10 months to ripen after the formation of fruit. Now the important question is how to know if the oranges are ready to pick. While Valencia oranges are usually ripen and ready to harvest in the summer, the Naval oranges are harvested in winter. As oranges do not ripen after they are picked, so it is important to keep them on the tree until they are ripe. They will not ripen in a paper bag like apples, bananas, and other fruits. It is better to pick one ripe-looking orange and taste it. If it is sweet and you like its taste, then you can harvest the remaining on tree. To harvest oranges, just twist them off and pull them. I use pruning shears to cut them off the tree. How to make oranges sweeter. The oranges that are allowed to ripen fully on the tree will have a sweeter taste. Cover them with a net to protect them from squirrels, possums, and birds. If your oranges taste sour, it means they need summers for the fruits to develop sweetness. Summer heat is needed to build sugar in the fruits. You can try adding potash in the soil to make your oranges sweet. Sometimes, oranges may fall off the tree before they are ripe. This is because of too much or too less moisture in the soil. Standing water in the soil or dry soil may cause the fruit to fall prematurely. Also, too much water may split the fruits. Storing oranges. Once you harvest the oranges, they will remain good only for a week on the kitchen top. Ripe oranges will remain good on the tree for a long time, until late winter. Store oranges in the crisper drawer in your fridge, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 month. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.